This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Nicely remodeled home with a beautifully updated kitchen including granite counters, new cabinets with soft close doors, lighting and stainless steel appliances. Open great room floor plan with a nice dining room and living room with a slider out to a patio and fully fenced yard. Single car garage west/power could be a great shop or newer hot water heater, vinyl windows, thermostat, and gutters. Corner lot allows lots of extra guest parking too. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.